hybrid and online teacher training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, we will discuss adding a welcome image, a title, and some Start Here information to your course. It is important that students are greeted with a welcoming environment and homepage when they enter their online or hybrid course. Let's take a look at this course for example. There's a welcome text at the top of the page, welcoming the students to the class with the title of the class. There's a picture of the textbook and some text that says Start Here with a downward arrow, showing students where they will begin to work. I am going to demonstrate how to add these items using my HOTT sandbox. Let's start by turning our editing on. The welcome should be placed in the general section at the top of the Moodle page, above section 1. Select the gear to open up the editing area. To add your welcome message, select the box next to the word Custom and type the text that you would like to show at the top of your course. Now in this area we can add our image. So I'm going to go to the image icon, Browse Repositories, Browse for my image, and I have saved a HOTT welcome banner to my computer. I will open this banner and upload. So I recommend keeping the image size to between 200 and 350 so it looks nice on the Moodle page. You may need to adjust these settings. I'm going to start with the size of a 300 by 61, and I would like my alignment to be at the top so that the image shows at the top of the page. In addition, it's very important to describe this image for someone who cannot see it. So in this area I will add a description for those students. Finally, I will save my image and take a look and see how I like it, and then save changes here to see what it looks like on the Moodle page. So there you have it, an image and a welcome. Finally, I'm going to add my Start Here information. To do that, I will add an activity or resource. I will scroll down to find the label resource and add. I will use my text editing toolbar and this area to add the word Start Here. I will select my text and format it using a heading. I think I'll make this a small heading since it's not something that's going to be real big on the page. And I'll give a space after my text, and I'm going to add another image here. Browse Repository, browse again, and I have saved a Start Here arrow on my computer. I will open and upload. Notice how large it is, so I'm going to change the size to make it smaller. I'll start with 50. Notice my auto size checkbox is checked, so that will keep it in proportion. I believe this looks too large, so I'm going to change that to 25 and see how I like it. Also, I need to put it at the top. It will align with the top of the text. I'm going to describe it again, and I'm going to save my image, and it looks pretty good to me, so now I'm going to save and return to course. So now I have my Start Here with my down arrow. Also notice this can be moved if needed. So if, for example, all of the information for the course was in section 1, I could move this down to this area so that it would point at exactly where students needed to start the course. So now your students will be greeted with a welcome title, an image, and they will know where to begin your course. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic. See you next time.